Welcome to a new series called A to Z of AI, where daily we'll be discussing 5 key topics of AI from alphabets A to Z. Today's letter is H. H for hyperparameter. Hyperparameter are parameters that govern the learning process of a model but are not learned from the data. They are set before the training process begins. For example, in a random forest model, the number of trees, the maximum depth of each tree are hyperparameters that can be set before training. H for hierarchical clustering. Hierarchical clustering is a clustering technique that groups data into hierarchy of clusters, where each cluster is a node and nodes form a tree structure. Hierarchical clustering can be used to group customers based on purchasing behavior, creating a hierarchy of similar customer segments. H for hidden layer. Hidden layer are layers in a neural network that lie between the input layer and the output layer. They are responsible for learning complex patterns from the data. For example, in a neural network for image classification, the hidden layers detect features such as edges, shapes, and textures from the input images. H for hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to make inferences or decisions about population parameters based on sample data, often involving a null and alternative hypothesis. For example, in A/B testing for website optimization, hypothesis testing is used to determine whether a new design improves your user engagement compared to the old one. H for hallucination. In AI, hallucination refers to situations where a model generates incorrect or nonsensical outputs that are not based on provided input or data. For example, a large language model may hallucinate by providing completely fictional statements when asked about factual information it hasn't been trained upon.